In this lecture, I will go over the importance of looking up as you dribble. So whenever I'm dribbling the ball here, you notice that I'm never looking at the ball. I'm looking up and always looking at the whole court, making sure I'm using my peripheral vision as well. Again, as I dribble, I want to make sure that I have my head up. The reason for that is I want to know what's going on in the court. I want to know whenever I drive to the basket if there's a help defender or if there's open teammates, cutting or on the outside. It's all important to just look up and know where you're going and know where people are on the court. If you do look down, and every time you're dribbling, you're always looking at the ball or you're always looking down, you're never going to know where you're going to go. You're never going to see an open teammate. You're never going to know what's going on the court. So that's why it's very crucial that whenever you dribble, you want to look up. So whenever you practice these moves or doing dribbling drills, a good habit for you to develop is just not looking at the ball. Every once in a while, maybe rarely, you'll look at the ball, but for the most part, you shouldn't be. You should be looking at the whole court. And just remember, every time you look down, you'll probably miss an open teammate. So always keep that in mind.